even after I mentioned you about my injury part, and even that was only a strong willpower that brought me back into the industry. Otherwise, I would have been lost to other streams. Simply, I have my hospital management, and my appointment was almost due to go into that stream in 2006. But then somehow something held me back. Probably I was supposed to serve this community for longer. And as I said, even in my rebirth, I want to be dentist. So it is the passion for dentistry that keeps me going.
Thank you so much. Actually, it was a long-term planning. As you said, that we have been planning to get Bhakti voucher to Hyderabad SDA, and we faced a lot of problems because of COVID, and then family also we could not go through. But at last, after such a tough time, we could come back, and I think all our SDA committee members are very happy, and also all the members. So if anybody has any doubts,